Hi guys, if you're a garage door opener, well, it's open right now, but okay. If your garage door opener is acting like this, I'm going to show you what's going to be the matter. So right now the light's on because I turned it on, but if you look, it's flashing, and it's acting kind of like that. And it's flashing 10 times. And if you try it again, that's the problem. It's the opener that's like indicating you the problem. So I put a brick in the middle, safety beams. That's the matter. And as you see, the light's off, but watch down there. And see the light? Watch if I take the brick out of the way, you see a solid green light. That's what it should see. And now let's test the door. Everything's unblocked from the safety sensors. Let's zoom you. Voila! Fixed. That was just a very simple issue. Like that. Thanks. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.